Let's cross live now to SABC News reporter Abongile Jantjies. A very good morning to you, Abongile. We understand some of the accused in the Mandela fraud scandal in the Eastern Cape want Judge Igna Stretch to recuse herself from the case. What are you hearing?
Well, that's indeed the point, Desiree, that they want her to recuse herself, and that matter will be heard here today, meaning that we are still far from the state calling its first witness in this matter, meaning that the trial hasn't begun. It's far from beginning. It's highly unlikely that they'll call their first witness, and it's something that they said this is just a delayed tactic in this matter, and that they are opposed to the Judge Igna Stretch recusing herself, and that they're saying it's just another attempt for the trial not to commence, Desiree. And it's likely today that another postponement will be made in this matter because they need to first familiarize themselves with the papers that will be filed in court today, and then they'll take it from there, Desiree. Well, and we're also running out of time with regards to this case. It was supposed to commence in this month of April, in the beginning of April up until June. The state is set to call over 30 witnesses in this case, Desiree, but it's highly unlikely that they will finish on time if the accused keep on making applications in this regard. While the accused are making their way in court, we're supposed to commence at around about 9:30 o'clock today, so that we can listen to these applications that will be made today in court. We'll see the likes of accused number 1, Pumlani Mkolo, making his way inside court. He is the one who's been filing these applications mostly, Desiree, saying that before we head to trial, these matters must be heard by the court, and that this continuation of the trial is something else. You'd remember that some of them have even opted for legal aid now because it has financial constraints on them. Some of them have lost a lot of money with regards to this case. Even the former health MEC, Sindiswa Gomba, is now representing herself because she doesn't qualify for legal aid, even though she says to the court that she can't afford an attorney at this stage. So we expect to hear what these lawyers will say with regards to this application, and we shall bring you more as the matter commences now, Desiree.